Alright everybody, we made it back to the shop. We got some of the stuff cleared out of the way, and Bill's already got the first sheet of sheetrock up on the wall. So we've got a lot more to do. We've got 20 sheets there on the truck. It is 4x12 half-inch sheetrock. So guys, time to put it up. Everybody, that's going to do it for us today. Our backs have had it. Sheetrock gets a little bit heavy, so we'll continue this part 587, whatever it happens to be, on the shop completion. No idea what that's what number even video we're even on with this. Like I said, it's a never-ending project. So anyway, guys, we're going to call it a day. We'll be back at this tomorrow. So, see you then. What's up, guys? Welcome back by the channel. It's day 5,654,500 here on the shop project, the never-ending job that never seems to want to go away. We're back here again. We're going to be working on sheetrock again today and doing some insulation of this lower ceiling area right here. Insulate across here, sheetrock all of this. So hopefully the back will hold out today, so let's get busy. All right, guys, we're done with the shop for today. We've got that back wall installed. We've got the back lights back there wired to a switch in the back so we can turn them on and off without having to walk all the way in and cut them on. So we've, yeah, see, on and off from the switch there. So anyway, guys, we're gonna bring this video of the never-ending shop to a close, and we're gonna get back to it in a few days. So anyway, I hope you like what you've seen today. Hit that like button if you did, hit that subscribe button, and clang on that notification bell, because everything that you do for us helps out our channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.